Aura frames are designed to play videos silently by default to prevent unwanted background noise in your home environment. If your frame has a touch bar, you can enable sound by tapping it once during video playback. The touch bar appears at the top of the frame when a video is playing. Alternatively, you can control sound settings through the Aura app, regardless of whether your frame has a built-in speaker. Open the app and select your specific frame. First, check that the volume is not muted within the Aura app settings. Look for the speaker volume option and ensure the volume icon is not crossed out. Also confirm that your phone or tablet is not on silent mode, as this can affect the app's audio output when controlling your frame remotely. If you're still experiencing issues with the app, try force stopping the application and clearing its cache. This resolves common app-related audio problems. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, start with a frame reboot. This simple step resolves many connectivity and audio issues. Unplug the power cord from the back of your frame and wait exactly 30 seconds. This allows the internal components to fully reset. After 30 seconds, plug the power cord back in and allow the frame to fully boot up and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. If the reboot doesn't solve the issue, check your Wi-Fi connection. Aura frames require a stable internet connection to function properly. Aura frames depend entirely on cloud connectivity. Without a stable Wi-Fi connection, audio and video features will not work correctly. If Wi-Fi isn't the issue, perform a hardware reset. This is a more drastic step that will restore your frame to factory settings. Locate the small reset pinhole on the back or bottom of your frame. Keep the frame plugged in during this process. After the reset completes, you'll need to set up your frame again using the Aura app. Contact customer support to restore your photos and videos. If none of these steps resolve your sound issues, it's time to contact Aura's customer support team for professional assistance. Customer support can provide specialized assistance and may be able to restore your content after a factory reset. They have access to advanced diagnostic tools not available to users.